Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking a call trade that was a late entry, but nevertheless I'll be taking a call trade to the upper direction because this is what is happening here. Starting from these two candlestick, I saw this anomaly here. After the anomaly, we saw a validation with high volume. A downward anomaly and an uptrend validation with high volume calls for an upward price movement. So this candlestick with a lower wick here was the confirmation, or with this candle I could have done a call trade from the support here and it will have still be in the money. So for now I'm not going to go with any other. Okay, this was my past trade, was it not? I don't know. Okay, this was the past trade before I started the video. Okay, now so for now what's going to happen is the market has signified that it won't be going up. So what I'll do is to mark out my levels. I will use this round number. Round number is a place where price can easily react with, so I'm going to use the round number. Okay, go back there. This is the round number here. As you can see, like I told you, it won't be going up, but could not do a call trade, or sorry, a put trade, because of the volume. You see how volume is dropping from here, so this is a warning. Okay, now volume has picked up, so for now I will do it. Okay, wait. Okay, it's stable now. Yes, so now I did a put trade to the downward direction. Why? Because at first you see this candlestick from here is showing how volume is not being supported by price. Price is not being supported by volume. So the long or even short-term direction of this uptrend is not secured. This next candle now is a confirmation. Now, if you go to the ebook, I'm going to show you. If you go to the ebook, you're going to see it there. That's why I tell you guys to always get the ebook. This is okay, shooting star. Okay, this is it. This is it here. You see, it's found at the low and high of a trend. The trend has anomaly, upper and lower wick the same length. Now, if you look at it, like I told you, the trend has what? Anomaly. You see, there is an anomaly within this trend, within this. A trend, if you go back to this ebook, how I told you how you can identify a trend. Two candlesticks alone can form a trend, because these two candlesticks in a lower time frame is a strong trend. If you want, I don't have time, I would have shown you. So you see the anomaly happened here, and it happened with this confirmation call trade. You understand? So let's go for our last trade. So this is one. For this one I entered late, and this one again is very good trade. So let's go for our last trade. Now for the last trade, you can see after this anomaly we got this huge engulfing candle, and this engulfing candle is what is a confirmation for a downtrend, but we cannot do a downtrend. Excuse me, I'm having this little flu. Okay, I'm going to do the downtrend trade now, and I'm going to tell you why I did it now. We at this closing price, there was no way we could have done the downward trade. Why? Because you see, this middle Bollinger Band has always been pushing price. You see, it has always been pushing. You understand? So all we need to do now, since we know it will push price, you see, price has come up with a low volume. You see, a low volume, showing that the buyers are not ready. But even though we know this, we are not supposed to take our trade from this closing price. We need to wait for price now to come back up. When price comes back up, knowing that we have an anomaly, a validation here, this validation that came with an engulfing candle automatically sets a key level for us to use as trade entry. So this is what we have. This is I'm going to show you the engulfing pattern, which we know is a reversal pattern. I don't know if I have it in this one. Yeah, this is it. These are all the all the momentum pattern, how you see how you change how the momentum in the market changes. This is something like this we just saw here now. As you can see something like this. When you see this changing, see this change now, look at how the volume, I don't know if you're getting me, look at the change, see the volume now. Even as at now, look at this continuation. You see the change in momentum, price goes went down. Okay, now look at this strong candle, look at the volume. It shows you don't go with this downtrend. It's as simple as that. You don't go with the downtrend because volume is not confirming it. Now you may see a candlestick like this, and you see a low volume and the market still goes down. When it goes down like this, it doesn't mean that you've missed that opportunity. It means that you are disciplined enough to know what to do irrespective of what the market is doing. This is what it means. So I urge you to get this ebook. It is very educative. If you get it, your trading knowledge is going to increase rapidly, especially if you are reading it. You don't just buy it there and leave it at your phone or your computer or whatever you're using. You buy it, you read and study it. Within weeks, you are already good using volume and price analysis to predict market behavior. The binary options world, trading in general, has a huge potential, but we really need to position ourselves in a place whereby we are suitable enough to take advantage of these things. So if this is your first time in my channel, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You already know why I took this trade. Like I told you before, I saw these two anomalies and this validation. So I did the call trade here after this anomaly again. And for the second trade, you see I saw this anomaly because of this volume. I saw this anomaly, I saw this validation, put trade. And the last trade, of course, where I did it, I saw this validation within these two candles. I waited for it to come back to the level, put trade. So it's as simple as that. Now you can see the market going up with with anomaly. You see it's going up with anomaly. So when I see this anomaly, what will I do? Quickly, I'll come here and I'll be looking for a validation. The validation is all I need to do. Like you see more anomalies. You see how the market is going up and the volume is not even rising. More anomalies. So this is most likely going to be a fake breakout. You see that the market from here might come back down. Let's see. I don't want to take any other trade again. Okay. Okay. So from here now, if I should use my feed ratio, I'll put it swing high here, swing low here. Okay. At this level now, you can see that the market, if it goes up again, I'll take a $1 trade. If I lose, I lose. It's okay. Yes, because I'm doing this trade here because I've seen this anomaly. A market cannot be going up like this while the volume starting from here is falling. So when I see this anomaly, I did a put trade. But remember, I before I did that put trade, I needed a level. We had no level here. We had no level, so I needed this 161.8 Fibonacci level. So you don't have to be greedy and take this is just like an example trade. That's why I did it with a $1, so that maybe you cannot be 100% certain. So if I lose, so this is simple. Now I have solved the problem that was caused by this market. All I need to look for is what a new opportunity. Now, since this volume is high, it doesn't mean that the market will come down. I need a trend to follow. I need a trend. I need two candlesticks for me to get a trend first. I need a change in momentum for me to understand what the trend is. Like I said, the fake breakout is now happening. So let me leave the talking for now. In our next video, we'll continue from where we stop. So by from what I said, if you need the ebook, if you want it, and I urge you to get it because it is really important, you contact me. The link will be left at the description of this video. So do it to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.